drone enterprises, manufacturers, and experts to participate in ElevateUAV Summit by Drone Nerds. Drone Nerds will host a drone technology industry conference in July 2023. Leading organizations and experts in the UAV technology space are set to participate in the first-ever industry conference led by Drone Nerds, the ElevateUAV Summit. The conference is a premier event designed to connect drone manufacturers, enterprises, pilots, developers, enthusiasts, and more. From agriculture to construction, public safety, and energy, industries worldwide are leveraging innovative drone technology, transforming their workflows for more agile production, safer operations, and comprehensive decision-making. Drones are designed to create impact, disrupt traditions, shift mindsets, and most importantly, create a safer future where we can use technology for the greater good. As UAV technology becomes widely accepted and used in commercial settings, new innovations emerge to help optimize how the world works. As a leading drone service provider and retailer, Drone Nerds is bringing together leading industry partners to offer speaking sessions, forums, and presentations on some of the UAV technology. Our aim is for businesses, organizations, and individuals to discover the latest UAV solutions, connect with experts, and network with organizations driving change with drone technology. Drones are powerful tools that can impact the world by optimizing the way we operate, states Jeremy Schneiderman, Drone Nerds CEO. The ElevateUAV Summit will be held on July 26 to 27, 2023 at the FIU Biscayne Bay Covens Conference Center in North Miami, Florida. There are numerous opportunities to get involved. Attendees, speakers, exhibitors, and sponsors who wish to participate in the ElevateUAV Summit can connect with the event organizers at support@ElevateUAVSummit.com or register/submit an application at ElevateUAVSummit.com. Join the ElevateUAV Summit in person. Professionals interested in learning about the latest developments in the UAV space and gaining insight from a variety of experts, including innovators, developers, manufacturers, and end users can register for the conference at ElevateUAVSummit.com. It is a great opportunity to see what trends are paving the way for commercial drone use and learn about what the future landscape looks like for drone technology implementation in each industry. The Early Bird General Admission Pass, $99 per person, gives attendees access to the exhibit hall, speaker sessions, keynotes, breakout panels, coffee break, snacks and lunch from FIU's School of Hospitality, as well as daily networking time. The Early Bird VIP Admission Pass, $174 per person, gives participants additional perks, access to their exclusive workshop of choice, reserved seating at speaker session, and VIP registration check-in. Agriculture, public safety, construction, and energy are the key tracks for the speaking sessions. Visit ElevateUAVSummit.com for more information and updates on the event schedule. Speak at the ElevateUAV Summit. Industry experts who would like to share insights, best practices, and drone technology trends can apply to become a speaker at the conference. It is a great opportunity to join high-level drone professionals in presenting the latest information on UAV solutions and connecting with specialists from all over the country. Connect with the event organizers at support@ElevateUAVSummit.com to find out more about preferred topic tracks, presentation guidelines and deadlines, or apply at ElevateUAVSummit.com. Become an exhibitor or sponsor. Organizations that are looking for a unique brand exposure of products and services to the drone technology community can become exhibitors or sponsors at the ElevateUAV Summit. Depending on the level of investment, bronze, silver, gold, or platinum exhibit packages, they will have different opportunities of promoting their business. From product showcase and live demos to featured speaking sessions, the benefits of exhibiting in the conference are substantial. For those who are interested in becoming a sponsor, and not necessarily exhibiting, there are 3 bundles of advertising options available, from ad placement on the event and company website to the company logo placement on all conference emails and newsletters. Go to ElevateUAVSummit.com for more information on how to connect with relevant buyers and in-market prospects that are actively searching for equipment, solutions, and services to modernize their operations.